You are about to see the most exciting new motorcycle concept we've seen in a while. And it doesn't come from an in-house design studio. I chose this motorbike to this video because I liked the story of it. The reason that made this project happen is one of those things that usually we only dream. This is the work of two young English designers, Roy Norton and Tom Kasher. They decided to create a bike that would borrow from the past while looking to the future. But the best part is that this was their final year project while studying transport design at Northumbria University in Newcastle. And the amazing result was this. Welcome to Racer TV. This is an exceptionally sleek take on the classic Triumph Speed Twin, kitted out with girder forks. The creators of this machine started the project by meeting with Triumph product manager. He not only gave them the most support in creating the concept, but also saw the project as an inspiring foundation. He wrote a brief, requesting a modern reinterpretation of a classic theme. A bike based around their 865cc air-cooled parallel twin, styled to appeal to younger riders. Triumph gave Norton and Kasher the frame of a production Bonneville to build from, which they reconstructed for a more contemporary aesthetic. The contrast comes from the front, where girder forks pay homage to the bikes of the past. The first time I saw this bike, I didn't know if this was a modern Triumph, or just a beautiful cafe racer project. And that's exactly what I like on this machine. The mystery factor. If we look carefully, we will see that the frontier between the modern and the classic is very well balanced. Nothing is too modern or too retro. This is one of those bikes where the simple details make all the difference. One of the most difficult things to achieve during a cafe racer project is to know when we should stop. I say this because it is very easy to enter in the overdone mode, using too much stripes and other details. But this Triumph is the perfect example. Nothing is too big or too small. This project was so successful that the end of the story only can be closed in the same way. After this project, the creators of this beautiful Triumph were invited with full-time jobs at Xenophire Design Company. Congratulations Roy Norton and Tom Kasher. You really deserve it. Here's a good question. Why didn't we had a cool project as this at school? Thank you for watching Racer TV. And as always, I hope to see you again in a next video, in another time.